Aadhaar serves as identity proof and helps fetch many government facilities. Time and again, UIDAI has been enhancing Aadhaar card facilities for the convenience of the residents. So now UIDAI introduced the latest version of Aadhaar card that is made of polyvinyl chloride. This new initiative is done to make Aadhaar card portable and durable. The PVC comes in a size of debit card, which makes it easy to carry in purse or wallet. PVC card is as valid as the primary Aadhaar card. Now let us take a look at the benefits of owning a PVC Aadhaar card. PVC Aadhaar card is convenient to carry for its new debit card-like size. The PVC bill adds more body to it, making it more durable. You can verify it instantly offline with the hologram and your ghost image. Also, it comes with a secured QR code. So if you still don't have a PVC Aadhaar card, then you can apply for the same. We have mentioned a few simple steps following which you can apply for your PVC Aadhaar card. Step 1. Visit the UIDAI portal and click on My Aadhaar. Step 2. Select Get Aadhaar and click on Download Aadhaar PVC. A page will redirect to your screen where you need to select Download Aadhaar PVC again. After this, enter your Aadhaar number and security code carefully. If your mobile number is not linked with your Aadhaar, check the My Mobile Number is not registered statement. Step 4. A section to enter your mobile number will appear, which you need to fill in. Click on Send OTP and enter the OTP once it arrives on your phone. Step 5. A preview of your Aadhaar card will appear. Verify all the details from there and click on Make Payment. Now lastly, all you have to do is to choose a payment gateway and download the payment receipt. Now you have successfully applied for a reprint of your PVC Aadhaar card. So these were a few simple steps to download the PVC Aadhaar. We hope you like this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to India.com.